If you're looking to form an LLC but want to protect your personal information, creating an anonymous LLC might be the perfect solution. LegalZoom can help you navigate the process and ensure your privacy is maintained throughout the information. The first step is creating an anonymous LLC is selecting the right state. Some states such as Wyoming, Nevada, and Delaware allow for greater privacy when forming an LLC. These states do not require the disclosure of members and managers in public records, giving you more control over your anonymity. Once you have chosen the state, you will need a registered agent. LegalZoom offers registered agent services to act as your LLC's official point of contact for legal documents. This service ensures that your personal data and address stays off public records and keeps you protected from unwanted solicitation or legal issues. For those who wish to take privacy even further, you can appoint a third party manager to act on behalf of your LLC. By doing so, you'll ensure that their name appears on official documents rather than yours, adding another layer of anonymity. After selecting a registered agent, a third party manager, you will need to file the articles of organization with the state. LegalZoom will guide you through the paperwork and make sure that you are compliant with the state laws while keeping your personal information private as possible. While 100% anonymity may not be fully achievable in all cases, these steps will minimize the exposure of your personal details. With LegalZoom's help, you can form an anonymous LLC, protecting your identity while ensuring your business is legally established and running smoothly. Ready to protect your personal information while forming your LLC? Head over to LegalZoom today to start the process and ensure your business is set up with the right level of privacy and legal protection.